Hey there guys, back with another video. Today we are going to do a room called picklerick, which is CTF, and we're going to learn a bit of web exploitation. So let's get started. Okay, so let's get started with the task 1. I already spawned the machine, so quickly do the nmap scan. SV and SC, and the IP address is 10.10.240.119. I'll skip to the part when it's done.
3 days later.
Okay, so results are here and two ports are open, port 22 and port 80. Let me just quickly save this. And it is Ubuntu. Okay, Apache 2.4.18. This are information disclosure. Let's check the port 80. Before checking port 80, let's do GoBuster scan. GoBuster directory scan with URL, so -u and HTTP, and the port is 10.10.240.119. okay, 119 with word list of opt directory list 2.3.medium, and let's do the extension as PHP, TXT and HTML. These are the common. Okay, let's check the port 80. Let's copy this. Okay, so first of all, let's check this task. The Rick and Morty theme challenge required you to exploit a web server to find 3 ingredients that will help Rick make his potion to transform himself back into a human from a pickle. So the first question is, deploy the virtual machine on this task and explore the web application. What is the first ingredient Rick needs? Okay, help Morty. Listen, Morty, I need your help. I've turned myself into pickle again, and this time I can't change back. I need you to burp. Morty, log on to my computer and find the last 3 secret ingredients to finish my pickle reverse potion. The only problem is I have no idea what the burp password was. Help, Morty, help. Okay, there isn't anything useful over here, so let's check the page source with Control U. So this is the paragraph we just read, and this is the note to self. Remember the username. Let's copy this, quickly make the note. Okay, so let's check the GoBuster scan. We have login.php. okay, let's check it, and we have assets. Let's check it first, and also login.php. We have our username. We just got it right now. We can either do the brute forcing, but let's check first of all. Let's do enumeration.
And we have index of assets. This is bootstrap.main to CSS. Fail diff. Let's check everything out here. What is important? GitHub.com. Memorize.css. Okay, this isn't important. Even this.
Okay, I don't think so this was important. We have username. We got portal.php, that is login.php, same as login.php, and index.html, we just checked it out. Let's check the robots.txt. We have some kind of text, that is wabba. Let's copy it. Let's try this random text and as in password. So we have username Rick rules, and password is this. So we are successfully logged in. Let's check for our first flag, and our first flag is, what is the flag ingredient Rick needs? Okay,
only the real Rick can view this page. So view the source. We don't have anything important over here. Let's check the creator. Nothing. Oceans again. Nothing. Add clone nodes. Nothing. Let's go to Rick portal again.
this is command panel. Okay, so let's try commands. ls.la, and we have a bunch of files, that is super secret ingredient.txt, assets clue.txt, denied.php. So I think clue.txt and super secret pickle ingredient is important over here. Let's try to view it. Let's do cat and super secret ingredient.txt. Let's execute it. Command disabled to make it hard for future pickle Rick. Okay, the command is disabled. Let's check the view. Command is disabled. And what is this? Okay, let's try more and super secret ingredient. Okay, this command is also disabled. Let's try vi super secret ingredient. Okay, this is also not available. Let's try nano. Everything is disabled. This is annoying. Let's try nl. So this is our first flag, Mr.MeSickHa. Let's copy it and paste it. So we have a first question answer, that is Mr. MeSickHa. Let's check everything out. So let's do nl and star and dot. Dot means this current directory. Look around the file system for other ingredients. So there is not only one way, that is nl star and dot. We can either do grep and grep dot and dash r. It could be small r or capital R. Everything is allowed. So this way also we can try to get the text. Let's do the page source. Rick is super cool. Container. Note to self, remember the username. We just saw that. We also have valid user that we used just right now, and it's confirming that we logged in with this user and password. Okay. Super secret ingredient.txt, and its content is Mr. Mesikha, and clue text is look around the file system for other ingredients. Okay. PHP function container contains string. Commands can't be used, that is cat, head, mo, tail, nano, vim, and vi. So these were the commands which we were not allowed to use, that were this cat, head, mo, tail. Okay. Now let's do the reverse shell into command panel. So let's go to hack tools and let's do, or we can do bash reverse shell. Our IP address is and that is correct, and port is 4445. Let's copy this. Let's first of all check we have bash over here. Which bash? Bin bash. Okay, let's copy it and paste it over here, and let's do the reverse shell. We can try nc nvlp, and our port number is 4445. 4445. Let's just do nc, execute it, and we have our reverse shell, and we got the www data id. Let's look around over here now. ls.la. Let's try to run sudo -l. This is interesting, and we can see over here that we can run everything on sudo without requiring any password. So let's do sudo su, and we are root right now. Let's check id. Okay, we are root. Let's do ls.la, and we are in rick. ls.la, and we got second ingredient. Let's look into it. Let's cat and second ingredients. Let's check the second ingredient, and second ingredient is 1 jarretia. And what's the second ingredient Rick needs, and that is 1 jarretia. Let's submit it. And the final question is, what's the final ingredient Rick needs? Let's go into root, ls.la. we are still in home, ls.la. Now we can go to root, cd into root, ls.la, and we have third.txt. Let's get it out. Third.txt, and that answer is flip juice. Our final flag is flip juice. Okay, that's it. We are completed with our final flag, and we finally did our CTF. If you like this video, do make sure to smash the subscribe button and make sure to like this video. Till then, bye bye.